Precautions for installation of ultra-low temperature chillers. When installing the ultra-low temperature chiller, there are many things that need to be paid attention to, so as not to cause the ultra-low temperature freezer to operate unchanged in the future. We need to install the chiller according to the following steps. First, the choice of installation site. 1. The site must be the floor, the installation mat, the level of which is within 6.4 mm, and can withstand the operating weight of the unit. 2. The unit should be placed in a room with a suitable room temperature, and there should be enough space around and above the unit for routine maintenance. Second, pipeline arrangement and installation. 1. Select the appropriate pipe diameter, the cooling system and the cold water system when the unit is running at high power, and connect them correctly. 2. After the leak test is completed, all the nozzles must be treated with rust prevention. 3. At one end of the unit, there should be a space for cleaning the condenser tube bundle. You can also use a door hole or other hole at a suitable location. 4. The pipeline should have a firm support independent of the refrigeration unit to avoid stress on the components of the refrigeration unit. The hanger should be set up to facilitate pipe alignment. 5. The design and installation of all chilled water and cooling water pipelines should be carried out according to conventional methods, and the chilled water pump should be located on the inlet pipe of the unit to ensure the positive pressure and flow rate in the unit. When piping, damping pipes should be installed to ensure proper elasticity.